Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. और आज की वीडियो में I'm gonna create this really beautiful makeup look. It's like a blue smoky eyes, it's like a glam makeup look with glitters जो कि आप easily किसी भी पार्टी में पहन सकते हैं. So let's get started with the video. So before doing any kind of makeup, मैं मानती हूँ कि skin prep is very important and this is one step which can make really good difference in your skin and your makeup. So to prepare my skin well, today I'm gonna do a sheet mask session and I'm gonna use Pond's sheet mask. ये जो sheet mask है 5 अलग-अलग variants में आते हैं and each offers unique benefit to the skin with combination of vitamins and natural extract. I love these sheet masks because they don't even just gives the skin right prep, but they are very affordable as well. They retail for just ₹75 जो कि I think market में सबसे सस्ते हैं. So let me just take you through all the 5 variants one by one. So the very first variant is this vitamin E avocado. It softens and nourishes the skin. The second variant is vitamin C, that is pineapple. It gives protection from UV damage and it also helps in spot lightening and also brightens the skin. The next we have vitamin B6, that is charcoal. It prevents acne and oil accumulation and it also detoxifies. Then we have vitamin B3, that is coconut water. It is very good for dry skin and it is very hydrating. Last we have vitamin A, tomato. It strengthens the skin, gives you glow and plumps up your skin. So जैसे कि मैं एक glam party makeup look करने वाली हूँ, I really want to look bright. So I'm gonna use the vitamin C pineapple sheet mask on myself today because it helps in brightening up your skin and it also helps in spot lightening as well. So I'm just gonna take sheet mask like this and I'm just gonna place over my face, adjust it, and I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes. It gives instant glow as it has 15 times serum, vitamins and 100% natural extract. It is also alcohol and paraben free. It is also dermatologically tested and has 100% biodegradable fabric. So once 15 minutes are over, I'm just gonna remove the mask and you can see my skin feels really hydrated and plump, and rest of the serum I'm just gonna use on the neck, and जो भी बचा हुआ serum है sheet mask में I also like to apply on my arms and my hands just to get the benefit out of it. Now I'm just gonna change and I'm gonna start doing my glam party makeup. So सबसे पहले I will be priming my face after the prep. So उसके लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ कलर बार का primer oil and I'm just gonna apply little bit all over my face. Now to cancel out any darkness on my face, I'm using Cuffs and Lashes CoverPot in 09 Almond and मैं बहुत कम product से काम कर रही हूँ. I'm just layering but with a very small amount of product. I'm just also creating like a eye base with the same product, और जो भी brush में बचा हुआ है I'm just spot correcting. And then I'm going to set this cover pot using Sugar Compact in 30 Chocochino because मेरी eyelids बहुत crease करती हैं, so setting is very important for me. So I'm just going to take a little bit of powder and I'm going to set the base. Now I'm using Miss Claire palette. This is like a face palette, very compact and good palette for traveling. I'm going to take this purple pinkish shade and I'm just going to place to the outer corners. This will be our gradient shade basically because हम blue glittery smoky eye करने वाले हैं. So we want a gradient shade and I'm gonna take all the way through my crease and to my inner corners as well. So next I'm gonna take this dark blue and I'm just gonna place to the outer corners and I'm gonna blend it with the purple really nicely. Again crease पे भी लेके जाऊंगी, inner corners पे भी लेके जाऊंगी, and at the end I will fill my lid with the same blue. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of more blue और मैं धीरे धीरे intensify करूँगी blue को. Again I will be working with small amount of product and slowly building it up. And then I'm gonna take a golden color from the same palette और अपने inner corners में मैं उसे लगा रही हूँ. Now taking the cover pot again, I'm just creating like a light shade for this blue eyeshadow ताकि ये pop लगे, लाइक ये उभर के सामने आए. And I'm just applying with a brush and I'm also blending it with the darker shades of blue. आप देख सकते हैं ये जो blue lid वाला eyeshadow है, it has some tiny glitter particles and this gives it more like a party glam look. For the glitters I'm using Enchanting palette glitter blue color में, and I'm just using my fingers and I'm just tapping it nicely onto the center of my lids. मैं और कहीं नहीं लगा रही, just on center of my lids. Now coming on to face, I'm using Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation in the shade 04 and I'm using Cuffs and Lashes Beauty Blender Sponge to blend it out. So I was really not happy the coverage it gave to my under eye, so I went ahead again and I took some Cuffs and Lashes cover pot, because Cuffs and Lashes के जो cover pot हैं they give really nice coverage. तो मैंने again अपने under eyes पे उन्हें ही लगाया to have that really nice coverage. And जितना भी brush में बचा था I'm just placing to my nose and around my mouth, and by taking a sponge I'm just blending the edges because this gives a really nice natural look. Now to highlight I'm using Wet n Wild concealer in medium beige under my eyes, bridge of nose, Cupid's bow, forehead and chin. I'm not gonna contour in this look, so मैं contour line के just नीचे लगा रही हूँ, just jaws के ऊपर, just to lift my face up. And now I'm blending the highlighted part really nicely with a brush, and you can see जो मैंने jaw line के ऊपर concealer लगाया था, it actually makes a difference if because मैंने contour नहीं किया है, but it kind of gives me a look जैसे कि मैंने contour किया है. Now I'm taking a compact again and I'm just setting the concealer जहाँ पे भी मैंने लगाया है for highlighting. I'm setting it really nicely, patting it nicely. Now I'm doing my lower lash line. I'm taking the same blue and I'm just going on my lower lash line and building it up, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of purple color and again going over the blue color and just to smoke it out a little bit and blending it really nicely.
Wanna be with you right now. Wanna be with you right now. 'Cause I'm coming home. Yeah.
Now I'm applying the lashes. These are Huda Beauty lashes in style 12 Farha, and now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, और मैं उसके लिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ Europe Cosmetics की eyebrow palette. I really love this palette a lot, and I'm just filling my eyebrows in really nicely, and you can see how much eyebrows, like, you know, कितना difference ला देता है face पे. For the blush I'm using Blue Heaven blush in 503, really nice peachy blush, और मैं अपने nose पे भी लगा रही हूँ. I love the glow it gives. I love how it sits on my face. Highlighter के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Cuffs and Lashes की Northern Light glow palette, and I'm just applying to the highest points of my cheeks, bridge of nose. And for the lipstick I'm using Sugar Transfer Proof lipstick. The दो lipstick use कर रही हूँ. The first shade is the brown shade Caffeine Bandit. The other shade is the pink lipstick, which is the Black Eyed Peas.
I'm holding you.
Now to seal everything I'm using Miss Claire Matte Finish Setting Spray, and this is how the whole look looks like. I'm just gonna give you one more tip at the end of this video, तो आप end तक ज़रूर देखिए. So this is blue glittery smoky glam party makeup look, जो कि आप अपने outfit के साथ match कर सकते हैं या फिर आप contrast में पहन सकते हैं, however you like. And this is the final look.
Feels like home, and it feels like home when I'm with you. When I'm with you, it feels like home.
So here's that bonus tip. So आप किसी भी colorful eye look को और intense कर सकते हैं. You just need to add little bit of black to the outer corner on a pencil brush, और आप बाकी eyeshadows के साथ इसे अच्छे से blend कर लीजिए, and you will see the difference. आपका जो eye look है एकदम से intensify हो जाता है और smoky हो जाता है, and it looks more night appropriate. So accordingly इस तरह के changes कर सकते हैं. Also don't forget to blend the eyeshadow really well, and this is how the final look looks like. So this was the whole look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really loved the how look came out to be, and skin looks really nice as well because of the good skin prep. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye bye.
Running out of time, so I'll be home tonight.